Okay, I've been getting texts saying I should do more burping content and more gym content. So, that's what I'm going to do. Starting with burping content, because I had somebody text me today saying I should do more burping videos because they're hilarious and because they are some crazy ass burps, I guess. To start off with, burping tutorial. Push it down. Use your throat to push it down. Go. Fill your mouth. Close the back of your throat. And push it back and down. You could also do this multiple times.